I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word Tip.
Is it true? Is it true?
Yes, AutoCorrect is back. A beloved feature from ages ago, AutoCorrect disappeared from Word. But with Word 2019, it's back and better than ever. Here's how it works. Say you type a word you frequently misspell, one that isn't already caught by AutoCorrect feature, which is kind of rare. But for me, it's Windows, which I often type as Windwos. See? Now right-click the word adorned with the red zigzag underline of shame. Normally, you would use this spelling submenu to choose the proper spelling and be done with it. Instead, choose the submenu by the correct spelling item. Add to AutoCorrect. And to prove it works, I'll try the flub again, which often comes naturally to me, Windwos, and it's fixed. Amazing and welcome back.
Neato. But what if I mistakenly add a word?
Well, then you must review the AutoCorrect settings. Venture with me. File tab, Options. In the Word Options dialog box, Proofing, AutoCorrect Options button. In the Replace With As You Type list, you see all the preset replacements that come with Word. For example, abatu to about, and achieve, which is commonly misspelled, and I don't know which way is which because it autocorrects. And then accommodate, I do that one a lot. Additional, ADN and. I mean, they're all in here, including THE and for TEH. I don't know. I'm not going to go through them all. So let me find my Windows example. That one's relevant. And there it is. So when I typed Windwos, it's replaced with Windows. Automatically. Thank you, Word. And you can edit this list. You can manually add a word here. Click the Add button, and then remove any flubs you may have added mistakenly. So AutoCorrect, welcome back.
That's kind of cheesy to reuse the same graphic.
Shut up.